never knew much about my father. But when I weave the fabric of my recollections, I remember the sound of breakbeats pounding against the inside of his chest. His ribcage was like Guantanamo Bay, but his right arm was a saxophone. He had a trumpet in his spine, teeth like piano keys. My father was a bass guitar plugged into the sky, coughed like an older record player, and it sounded like music. But what do I know? I'm just 2 turntables and a mic. A sample of a man that I can hardly even recognize. A photocopy of an instrument that my fingers still haven't learned how to play. All I know is that there is an epic sleeping underneath my tongue, and I have a story that's worth telling, so here I am. Pouring out the containers that I keep behind my eyes so I can baptize you in the things that I've seen.